Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video clip, I will show you and also tell you how to fix sending modified messages on your and iPhone on iOS 18. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes under the video and also write your comments after watching and make sure to subscribe to our channel. So friends, let us get started with you. And actually, first of all, if you're not getting messages on your iPhone like you used to, and they're green messages, that can only mean that your messages are being sent as SMS and not as iMessage. This is very easy to fix and revert back to the way it was. Open up Settings on your iPhone, swipe down, tap the app, and then also swipe down here and open on Messages. Next, friends, you will need to make sure that you have iMessage connected. If this option is not connected, then just click on the button after the word iMessage to enable it. Also, friends, I recommend you to see if you have a good connection. To do that, I recommend you to swipe down from the top. And then in the Control Center, you can turn off your cellular connection for a while to reset it and improve your cellular connection. To do that, press Airplane Mode. Wait 30 seconds or a minute. Then turn off Airplane Mode. Re-enable your cellular connection. This way you will stabilize it. I also recommend that after you've done all of the above, you should click on this option under iMessage and check that you have iMessage messages connected to your emails and to your phone number. If it's not already done, then just click Connect your Apple ID to iMessage and connect everything. If that doesn't work for you either, friends, then please go back to your iPhone settings and then go to General, and in General, scroll all the way down to Reset iPhone. Now click on Reset at the bottom, and then you will need to choose either Network Reset or Network Reset. Once you choose this option, you will need to leave your phone password and confirm this action. This kind of network reset, friends, it will help you to fix all the issues, some possibly corrupted files and any problem on your iPhone. This is the way, friends, you can easily fix sending modified messages on your iPhone on iOS 18. Friends, I hope this video was helpful and useful for you. Please don't forget to put likes under the video, write comments, and also subscribe to our channel. See you soon.